Alright, so this is a 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. As you can see, 2012 2.4. And what we're going to be doing today is draining and filling the transmission fluid. As you can see, this is the fill cap. There is not a dipstick on it because you check it through a check hole. But that's the cap. That's the hole there. See if we can go down. Right there. Okay, let me show you underneath where the fill plug is, or no, where the drain plug is, and then where the check plug is. Okay, so I'm just going under like this. Excuse my Milwaukee fan, but it's a little hot. Okay, so this is the drain plug, and it's going to be an 11 millimeter. And now let me show you the check plug, which is right here on the side. We're gonna have to remove this push pin. Let me move that and then I'll show you where it's at. Go down under the passenger wheel well. You can actually see it right there. So that's the hole that we're going to be checking it once the vehicle's level. We're going to warm it up, and then as long as it's, lightly spilling out, then we'll know that we have the right amount in. But we're also going to measure what we take out. Alright guys, so everything is all tightened up with that 11 millimeter, and then I drained all the old oil into a container and measured it. This is 4 quarts. This is 4 quarts, so we're going to add at least 4 quarts, and then we're going to check it, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so this is what we'll be using here. Valvoline, full synthetic. As you can see, this one requires Dex 6. And then if you look on the back, GM, Dexron 2, Dexron 3, Dex 6. So we're all set. And this is good stuff and it's proven. Alright, so as you can see, I got my funnel set up. And I'm just going to pour, and pour some more. And when you're done filling the transmission, what you need to do is get it up to operating temp, switch through all the gears multiple times, let it warm up, and then you need to remove this plug. And as long as the fluid slowly drips out, you will be all good. And as long as everything feels fine, you're all good to go. Just wanted to thank all of you for watching this video. If you did like it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive how-to videos. Alright guys, see you later. Peace.